guys, we have a problem right now here. The rose bulb has two transformer inside, but we can see the right now here the broken part because of the spark or acting. So right now, this rose bulb is I think it's open circuit right now because it's not working, but we're trying to fix right now. This rose bulb will work like $3,500, but we try to fix without cost. We're gonna use our disponeering right now. So you can see this guys, the small partner. It's guys, that's for now. Sorry, my camera is little bit dark because of the moisture, because outside is very cold. Okay, okay guys, that's it for now. See you next time. Bye.